Hi everyone, this is Kushal Jambulkar from Gossip Funda. Let's get started. In this video, we will be learning about what is a game optimizing service. So, a game optimizing service app provides you facility to optimize the resources of your mobile phone when you are playing game. This app will optimize RAM, processor and other resources. You can play game without lagging and interruptions. Once you install the app and active it, then this app will automatically adjust resources required for playing game. Game optimizing service will stop all non-essential services in mobile phone when you are playing game. So there are many best game optimizers we will see in this video. So the first game optimizer is Samsung Game Optimizing Service. You can visit to this website to download the Samsung Game Optimizing Service. This app will work with Samsung Android phone and provide many functionality like battery consumption, RAM consumption, etc. You can download this app. So the second game optimizer is Game Booster and Launcher. You can download this app from the Play Store. This app offers the user maximum potential and they can optimize every app on the phone. With the help of FPS, the user would be able to monitor the performance of the phone and side by side advanced CPU management of the Linux system. So the third game optimizer is Droid Optimizer. You can download this Droid Optimizer app from the Play Store. The Droid Optimizer app will provide user ranking system if user have unnecessary files and he does not clean up then get low rank. This will work with no ads and perform speed up of the gaming. So let's check what are the problems with the game optimizing apps are. We find some of the game optimizing service app will sometimes give you more ads and pop-ups when you are playing games or not even playing games. You can stop or disable the apps by doing the following steps. Go to settings app, find the apps which are running in background, select the game optimizer app from the list you want to, press the force stop and this will stop the app. You can also stop notification by doing this process also. I hope I was able to tell you some new thing about Game Optimizer. If I do, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Gossip Funda YouTube channel, and you can also visit to gossipfunda.com webpage where you will find more interesting stuff. The link of the webpage is given in the description box below. You can check this out. Thank you.